Welcome to the sports capital of Tennessee, Rutherford County. From the diamond to the pitch, the courts, and the tracks, we've got it. First-rate facilities ready for any event. From TSS, AA Spring Fling, to the MLS Next Cup. This is where future champions compete.
Rutherford County, just the destination itself, is so unique in the fact that they are so accommodating. It has big city amenities without being a big city in and of itself, whether that's restaurants, whether that's places to shop, other things to do. It's the best of both worlds, really.
With an annual tourism economic impact of over $772 million. We know what it takes to win on and off the field.
Our local government has really made a commitment over the last 10 to 15 years to put the investments into our community, ensure that we have world-class facilities, not just for visitors, but for our residents.
Elite play, endless playtime. It's a total experience. Plan your next event in Rutherford County, Tennessee.